So here's some examples of some formulas or examples of slope in questions that we might see. So let's look at a table. And it gives us these values right here. So one of the ways that we can find slope here is to say, what is the difference from this to this, from this to this? Now from -4 to 0, we are adding 4. And then from 0 to 4, we're also adding 4. From -7 to 5, we're actually adding 12. Same thing from 5 to 17, we're adding 12. So our slope would be this number over this number. Remember, slope is always y over x. So 12 divided by 4 equals 3, and our slope here would be 3. We can also look at a table and say, I have another table, x and y, and let's say we had 5, 10, and 15, and then we had 4, 8, and 12. So we could either see how each of these increases, or another thing that we could do is that we can pick 2 points. So let's just say I'm going to pick 5 and 4, and 10, 8. I could use my formula for slope. Remember, y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So we can say that, let's label these. 5 is x1, 4 is y1, 10 is x2, 8 is y2. So 8 minus 4 over 10 minus 5, which is equal to 4 over 5. We could try to simplify it if we can, but in this case, we wouldn't be able to. Okay. So another example is, we just talked about in the first video where we had a standard form. So this is 4x minus 3y is equal to 6. So to find the slope here, remember that the numbers in front of the variables, so 4 is a, -3 is b, and 6 is c. So our slope is -a over b. So we would have negative and then 4 over -3. Now we would try to simplify it. In this case, we really can't, but we do have a negative on the outside and a negative on the inside, which would make it a positive 4 over 3.